Hello. Welcome to the restaurant. Hello. Table for one, please. Of course. This way, please. Thank you. Here is the menu. Thank you. Are you ready to order? Yes, I am. What would you like? I would like the chicken, please. Anything to drink? Yes, water, please. Still or sparkling? Still water, please. Perfect. I will be right back. Here is your chicken and water. Thank you. How is your food? It's very good. Thank you. Excuse me. Yes. Can I get some bread, please? Of course. Excuse me. Yes. Can I have some ketchup, please? Sure. Can I have the bill, please? Of course. Here you are. Thank you. Hello. Welcome to the restaurant. Hello. A table for two, please. Of course. Please follow me. Thank you. Here are your menus. Thank you. Are you ready to order? Yes, we are. What would you like today? I would like the pasta, please. I'll have a salad, please. Anything to drink? 2 coffees, please. Very good. Here is your pasta and your salad. Thank you. Excuse me. Yes. Can I change my order? What would you like instead? I would like the chicken, please. No problem. How is everything? It's delicious. Thank you. Can we have the bill, please? Of course. Thank you very much. Excuse me. Yes. This is not my order. Oh, I'm very sorry. I will change it right away. Thank you. Excuse me. Yes. The food is cold. I'm very sorry. I will bring you a new dish. Thank you. Excuse me. Yes. Can I pay by card? Yes, of course. Thank you. Excuse me. Yes. Can I get some water, please? Of course. Thank you. Would you like dessert? Yes, please. I would like chocolate cake. Anything to drink with that? I'll have tea, please. Excuse me. Yes. What do you recommend? The chicken is very popular. Okay. I'll have the chicken, please. Hello. Bella Restaurant. Hello. I would like to book a table for 2. For what time? For 7 o'clock, please. Your name, please? Anna Novak. Thank you. See you at 7. Can I have the check, please? Of course. Here it is. Thank you. Can we split the check? Yes, of course. Thank you. Would you like to pay together or separately? Separately, please. Okay. Excuse me. Yes. Can I see the menu again? Of course. Thank you. Excuse me. Yes. Is this spicy? No, it's not spicy. Thank you. Now you answer. What would you like to eat? What would you like to drink? Are you ready to order? Do you want dessert? Can you pay by card? Now you are ready to speak English at a restaurant. Practice again tomorrow. See you next time.